Okay, so the paradiddle, a single paradiddle, no accents, nice and easy, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, no accents again, single surface, play along to a metronome if you can. Another great thing to do is find a song where you can find the pulse to it and just play your rudiments straight through them. It's super fun. It gives you more ideas, helps you transition in and out. Okay, so right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. So that works out fine. So let's start to orchestrate that idea to make this a little bit more fun. So let's find another sound source. So now we're dealing with two sound sources. Dominant hand, okay? Dominant hand's going to go to a new sound source. I pick my high tom, so here it is. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Okay? And now we can keep on going, and then we'll figure out how to transition from beats into those things and back out. So let's find another sound source. So now we have two different sounds that are going to toggle between each other, but you'll notice something here. So now, when it's being disrupted between the toms is when you actually get to toggle to the new one. So if I did this, there's my disruption. I'm going to now go to my new drum. How come I get two down there? Because there's no disruption with the other hand. So look at this. So the path for your dominant hand is just playing the normal right-handed paradiddle pattern, and then we're toggling between those two sound sources, okay? The left hand is basically filling in the rest of the left hands, but we're not moving that one. That can be something else, okay? So here it is. Anytime that we're doing this, feel free to just go ahead and pause the video, pull it together yourself, and then we can kind of continue on if I move on too fast or maybe if I'm going a little bit too slow, okay? So how about three sound sources now? I'm going to use my high tom, my ride cymbal, and my floor tom, okay? For no other reason other than that's my other sound source I'm choosing for the moment, okay? So here it is. That's not so hard, but once we transition into a beat or something that now we're dealing with, say, 4 pulses in a measure, we might not have gotten to complete the 1, the 2, and the 3 to end up back at our perceived beat 1 again, okay? So that is the idea, and we'll run into that in a minute, okay? But at least we've got 3 sound sources, so we're just looking for the sound of this thing for the moment, okay? We toggle between 3 sound sources. How about 4? So here's my hi-hat, my high tom, ride cymbal, and floor tom now. So, right, stop. Okay. So now what is it like if we were to play just a basic groove and then go into, let's do normal paradiddles, okay? Let's go back to the single paradiddle on one sound source, okay? And again, it could be any place. Let's choose snare drum for the moment, okay? So here's my groove. 1 and 2, and here we go. 1 and 2, and here it goes. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Let's do it one more time just to make sure we're comfortable. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, and stop. Okay, so now 2 different sound sources. Just move that right hand, your dominant hand, okay, up to that other sound source. Stay there until you get to beat 1 of the next measure. That might not always finish the cycle again, okay? So do your best to make sure that you know that you've just finished your right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Find beat 1 and splat, go back into your beat again, okay? So 2 sound sources, my high tom and snare drum. 1 and 2, and here we go. 1, 2, 4. Nice. One more time. Ready. Okay, now 3 sound sources now. So high tom, my ride cymbal, my floor tom. Okay, you're gonna notice that does it cycle through or not? It might be a little funny. Okay, here we go. 1 and 2 and ready and 1 and 2 and 3 sound sources and I think we lucked out, right? Ready? And 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1. Not so bad. Okay, so then what happens if we do 4 sound sources? Hi-hat, high tom, my ride cymbal, my floor tom, okay? This might get a little weird, but let's see if we can find beat 1 together. Okay, so 1 and 2 and ready and 1 and 2 and here we go. Not quite the full rotation, right? Here, one more time. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1. It's your dominant hand that gets to move. Bop, 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 bop. 1. Okay. Now, for the moment, I mean, again, we chose a path. And it's a starting point, which is all this was supposed to be at the moment. Videos down below, if we add more to these, it might show some more orchestrations. This is supposed to give us more freedom moving around the kit. Again, it sounds very exercisey, doesn't it? Because we're only playing the paradiddle. We're not trying any transitions in the middle of any of that to go into a different note value, into a different pattern or anything like that. So we're primarily sticking with the paradiddle and coming up with different sound sources, patterns, and things like that. So anyway, have some fun with this. Give this a go and look out for the next video.